Mastercard down, payments failing, you're not alone. Right now, thousands of people are freaking out. Cards getting declined, subscriptions failing, even groceries stuck at checkout. But don't panic. I've got the instant fixes and the real reason this is happening. Stay tuned because you're about to save your day. So, what's actually going on? Mastercard users like you and me are running into three huge problems right now. First, we've got network outages, confirmed on April 30th, with banks like Citizens and services like X Premium hit hard. Second, there are random declines. Your card is totally fine, but payments are just failing out of nowhere, especially if you're into crypto or your bank's backend is getting an upgrade. And third, hidden fees. Crypto card users are seeing surprise maintenance charges pop up. Seriously, what the heck? But listen, before you miss a bill or lose your mind, here's what you need to do. First, check Mastercard's status page. It's live, and I'll drop the link below. If it's not green, don't wait around. Switch your payment method to Visa, PayPal, or Apple Pay right now. Literally, you can change your card on Amazon or Netflix in under 10 seconds. Don't let one glitch ruin your day. Next, call your bank. Some banks, like Citizens, are blocking transactions even if you've got enough cash. Just ask, hey, is there a Mastercard outage? Can you manually approve my payment? Sometimes a 2-minute call fixes everything. If you're using crypto-linked cards, like MetaMask or OKX, here's your move. Add a little extra gas fee, or just use a regular card for now. And if you spot a weird maintenance charge, dispute it. Your bank has to refund shady charges, and I've seen people win back $50 in minutes. But let's talk long-term hacks, so you never get locked out again. Virtual cards are a lifesaver. Revolut or privacy.com can help you swap cards fast and keep your info safe. In India, enable RuPay alongside Visa and Mastercard. Pro tip, sometimes the big guys accidentally mess things up for the new players. Oh, and follow Mastercard News on X, they're the first to post about outages. Seriously, you'll feel like a payments ninja. So, Mastercard back yet? Drop a comment below if your card's still broken or if you found a fix I missed. And hey, don't miss my next video, Visa down next, how to prepare. Hit subscribe, watch that video, and beat the system before it beats you. Thanks for watching. And if you'll excuse me, I've got a declined pizza order to go cry about. See you next time.